It's natural to feel fatigued by the end of the workday, but here's a body hug that can help you through not only the day, but for the rest of your life. Here's another drug-free body hug secret I want to share with you, so listen carefully. It's going to make a big difference for you fast. It's so ridiculously simple, at first you might be tempted to dismiss it, but that would be a big mistake. You'll understand why. So promise me now. Ready? Say this aloud. If someone taught me how to flip a switch, I wouldn't dismiss it as simple. I'd just enjoy the light. Allow me now to show you a few of these switches. As you'll see, this little secret, while quite simple, is scientifically verifiable and also something you can plainly observe for yourself. People who make this change start to notice a big difference fast, and so will you. First, some vital background. Most of us are not aware that the process of digestion actually takes a whole lot of energy. In fact, we burn over 10% of our available fuel every day just digesting our food. So what do? Can we turn off digestion? Well, of course not. But we can make the job of digestion easier, freeing up mountains of energy with this little trick. Here it is. Remember your promise? Here's the rule. Chew every bite of food 30 times before swallowing. Silly, right? No, it's actually more profoundly life-changing than you can possibly imagine. On the surface, this may sound like it wouldn't do much, but we're now discovering how many ways this practice unleashes our hidden energy. For example, digestion starts in the mouth. If we skip that process, we only get a fraction of the nutritional value of our food. Next, gulping down partially chewed food puts tremendous stress on our digestion and saps us of vital energy via several pathways. And it gets worse. But hold up for a second. Tune into your stomach right now. I mean it. Turn your attention to how your stomach feels for a quick moment. Are you there? I'm willing to bet it doesn't feel right. Now, I don't know you, so why would I bet on this? Listen, I'm not a gambler. I make sure bets. And those are made by the fact that over 70 million Americans are affected by various digestive diseases at any given time. Most disease goes untreated and unreported. Those are real statistics and science, not guesses or voodoo. So it's a pretty safe bet your tummy doesn't feel so good right now, or that you remember a case of this from earlier in the day or yesterday. To make matters worse, sometimes these digestive problems don't even manifest in a sore stomach, only in fatigue. This is one of the many easily avoidable ways we chronically prevent our bodies from unleashing our available vitality. Now here's the real kicker. Not only does it sap our energy, but it weighs on our minds, preventing clarity of thought. Anyone in chronic pain knows this quite well. You simply don't function as well mentally when your body's in pain. But many times, simply correcting our chewing habits can open the energy floodgates by freeing up energy that was already there. This is only one of dozens of little body hackers like this that can cumulatively turn you into a demon in the boardroom, on the course, and even in the, well, I'll let you finish that sentence so I don't have to say something inappropriate. When you discover how simple and easy this is, you'll only look back and laugh at how much money we've all wasted on bogus supplements and kooky magic tricks to put sloppy fix-it patches on your health. There's a whole lot more where that came from that, when combined in the right, effortless way, will give you the energy for even the most demanding lifestyle and juice to spare for your wild nights. But will you actually do it? It's a good question. The thing about this kind of information is that hearing it is one thing. Applying it to your life is a whole nother animal. My wish is not just to inform you, but to transform you. I get my kicks out of delivering you the truth. Almost everything I recommend can be done for free or with simple things you can find for chump change.